everybody! It's me, Bark101, and today I'm on Animal Jam. Of course, my channel is about dogs. I am a dog. So today I have hosted a party on Animal Jam, and so I'm holding the camera with one hand and then trying to type with another. So, I don't know if some of these guys know that I'm recording for YouTube, but, well, anyway, let's get on into the video. Hello, everybody! So, today, I will be doing Animal Jam. And these are the people who have come to my party. And I wanted to show you me on Animal Jam. This is my main look. I have several others. Hold on. See? Several others. And if you check out this YouTube channel and you are on Animal Jam at this time, please drop a like and subscribe. And today, if you are on Animal Jam while watching this, well, I don't think you will be, but, whoops. My party is called Beta Alpha Bash. And these are all the people who have came. I don't know what that message was, just ignore it. But, right now, do I have any, okay, I have a Jamagram. But I'm not going to read it right now. So, if you don't know, I will be doing lots of Minecraft, weird, well, not weird, but just my dog videos, Animal Jam, wolf videos, and lots more to do with animals and dogs. And a few cats. But mainly dogs. It's mainly a dog channel. I guess we can do bowling. So. Oh! I was just talking to her. Hold on. I was just talking to her. This is my best friend. She's from school. And I actually had to get off the phone with her. Whoops, really bad roll. But I actually had to get off the phone with her, but I'm about to call her as soon as this video is done with. You know, reason why I'm messing up so bad is I have one hand on the mouse, see? Mouse, one hand. I think both of us are really bad right now. So, this is the bowling game. You have this. What? Wait, what on earth? What on earth happens? Nope. Guess that wasn't me. See our scores. 2, 9. How'd she get 9? Okay. Yeah. Clear shot. No! Okay, sorry. So we have 11 to 9. I'm just gonna make a smiley face at now. So, okay, once we finish this, I'm going to cut ahead into the video right now. So, I'm going to cut ahead. Okay, we are back, and that was a good game. So, yes, this is my party. I will be hosting lots of parties, probably. And drop a like on this video and subscribe. Bye!